She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to be an easy yet impressive no-bake dessert that you can make for your family and friends. We're going to go ahead today and make a tasty Eclair pie. And if you've never had an Eclair before, Eclairs are long, thin pastries made from choux pastry piped into oblong shapes, baked until crisp, and then filled with cream and usually topped with a chocolate icing. In this case, though, we're going to go ahead and take the standard Eclair and turn it into an easy no-bake pie. These are the ingredients that we will be using today. We have a frozen pre-made pie crust, heavy cream, whipped cream, some vanilla, some milk, some chocolate chips, some sour cream, and some vanilla pudding. So the ingredients for this no-bake pie are pretty simple, but it's going to give you a very tasty and impressive dessert that you can serve anytime. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so this is the easy Eclair pie. Again, this is a no-bake dessert that you can whip up in no time. The inside texture was creamy and velvety, and then you had that wonderful crust to encase all of that delicious Eclair filling. It's an impressive pie that I'm sure you're gonna love with all the flavors of a wonderful Eclair inside the pie. Definitely give this a try, you guys, especially if you do enjoy a good Eclair. Hopefully you did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you do love Eclairs. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.